Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 21st of May 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.49%, settled the day at 39,806.77 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,794.87, rising 0.65%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,163.12 and Hang Seng is trading at 19,435.45. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,606, indicating a green start for the Indian market. FII sold 92.95 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. The RBI plans to transfer a larger dividend, potentially around 1 lakh rupees crore, to the government. Tata Motors arms partner with Bajaj Finance to provide financing to passenger F dealers. Now talking about global aspects, the People's Bank of China kept its benchmark loan prime rate unchanged on Monday as widely expected, even as Beijing continued to roll out other stimulus measures to support the economy. China Commerce Ministry bans some US firms from import-export activities. WTI fell 0.3% to settle at $79.80, while Brent fell 0.3% to settle at $83.71 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.52. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.44%, up. Here is a recap of Saturday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices traded firmly, drawing strength from lower levels as investors aligned with the broader bullish market outlook. The Nifty index rose by 2%, closing the week at 22,506, while the Bank Nifty climbed by 1.68% to end at 48,199. Outlook for the day. We anticipate some profit booking around the 22,650 level, as this retracement level is often considered significant in technical analysis, indicating a potential resistance zone. However, any resultant profit booking from 22,650 could be viewed as an opportunity to initiate new long positions near 22,200, suggesting a bullish outlook beyond this retracement level. On the downside, the zone between 22,200 and 22,000 is identified as a crucial support level for the upcoming sessions. This support range is likely to provide a strong foundation, potentially halting any short-term declines. In the coming sessions, we anticipate further upside movement towards the 48,800 level, which corresponds to the 61.8% retracement of the recent decline. On the downside, short-term support is expected around the 47,300 level for the upcoming sessions. The immediate support level is at 47,700, with 47,200 providing an additional cushion. A breakout above 48,300 could indicate a bullish trend, potentially driving the index towards the 48,800 and even the 49,200 levels. Stocks on radar are BDL, Sudarshan Chemical, Hind Zinc, Balkrishna Industries, Varroc. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.